Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Do you own a DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone with pride? Congratulations! Even if it's one of the greatest drones available, you need to take good care of it. You need a premium case to keep your drone in great condition. We'll go over the top 3 cases for your DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone in this video. On number 1, we have Lykus Titan M320 case. One of the highest quality cases for the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the Lykus Titan M320 case. This case is extremely lightweight and convenient to carry, and it offers optimal protection for your drone thanks to its sturdy, long-lasting construction. The interior's unique foam is one of the Lykus Titan M320 case's most notable characteristics. The foam is perfectly cut to accommodate the DJI Mavic 3 Pro and ensures a snug, secure fit for your drone and its attachments. For your remote control, batteries, and other equipment, the case also contains extra pockets and compartments. The Lykus Titan case is made to last under even the most trying circumstances. Hardshell EVA and nylon fabric were combined to create the exterior, which is water and scratch resistant. Additionally, it has a convenient adjustable shoulder strap for carrying. On number 2, we have FPVTOsky hard case. Another strong competitor for the finest cases to shield your DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the FPVTOsky hard case. This tough, resilient case is constructed of premium EVA materials, making it shockproof and waterproof and guaranteeing the security and safety of your drone. The distinctive design of the FPVTOsky hard case is one of its most notable qualities. It is ideal for photographers and filmmakers who are constantly on the go because of its small size and ease of portability. The case makes it simple to take your drone to various locations because it has a comfortable grip and an adjustable shoulder strap. Your DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone fits nicely inside the interior of the FPVTOsky hard case. For the drone, remote controller, and other equipment like extra batteries, propellers, and cables, it has specially made foam compartments. Your accessories are kept neatly in these compartments, which also guard against damage while in transit. In addition, the FPVTOsky strong case is made to survive harsh weather, shielding your drone and accessories from snow, rain, and even sleet. The case is entirely dustproof and waterproof for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 1 meter, thanks to its IP67 certification. On number 3, we have LAKUFI waterproof case. The Lekufee waterproof cover is definitely something to think about if you're seeking a dependable case to shield your DJI Mavic 3 Pro from water damage. This hardshell case is made to withstand even the worst weather, making it the perfect choice for travel and outdoor excursions. The Lekufee waterproof case for your DJI Mavic 3 Pro is made of high-quality materials and offers outstanding protection against water and impact damage. With sections for supplies like batteries and remote controllers, the case within is made to fit your drone flawlessly. To view your footage while on the go, there is even a spare slot for your tablet or smartphone. In addition to offering protection, the Lekufee waterproof case is also extremely simple to carry around. The case has a convenient shoulder strap that makes getting it to your shooting position simple. It also has a strong handle, so if you want, you may carry it by hand. Overall, anyone looking for a premium case to shield their DJI Mavic 3 Pro from water harm should consider the Lekufee waterproof case. You may feel comfortable transporting your drone anywhere thanks to its sturdy construction and practical carrying choices because it will be protected from the weather. So these are some of the best cases for DJI Mavic 3 Pro to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.